Okay, so if you could have a population growing at 3% annual rate. You got a herd, and you expect every year the population will increase by 3% because, of course, the more you have in your herd, the more newborns are going to be. Okay? Of course, the more they're going to die, but you assume that the reproduction rate is greater than the death rate, which will be the case if you don't have too many predators and you have enough food. So, or an investment where your principal grows at 3% annual rate. Okay? Then what that means is that dp dt is 0.03p. The rate at which p changes, whether p is population or principal, is this. And of course there are other things that grow at a constant rate. And we can easily solve the equation. You know, it's separable. We get dp over p equals 0.03 dt. So we're in the familiar context. And we get natural log of p equals 0.03 t plus c, etc. Because we've done this many times. You get p equals a e to the 0.03 t. Okay? So that's a very familiar situation. And there are problems on the sheet that I gave you, I think, that are related to 2.4. If there aren't, I'll throw them into the assignment. Okay? And I'm probably, well, you know, what you've got is selected problems from the assignments up through section like 3.3, Bernoulli equations. Okay? So I'm going to select, I selected out some problems. I'm probably going to throw the rest of them in there and ask for those by Tuesday. Okay? Well, okay, that's one thing. Now, that's pretty easy, right? Now you have a situation where, okay, every year your principal grows by 3%, but you take out a certain amount. Changes the equation slightly. Okay? Or your population grows at a 3% annual rate, but of course the youngins get restless and migrate away. Either that or you got a really good herd and people come from other herds and join you. Okay? So what does that do to the situation? Okay, so if you have let's just say a constant migration number m, okay? And let's say this happens end of each year. Now m could be positive. You got people or animals or critters or whatever migrating in, or m could be negative. You have youngins or old migrating out. Okay, for one reason or another, you have a net in or out migration. Okay, and okay, or I want to say take out, say a one-time change, M, is a principal. At the end of each year. Okay? So, how do we handle that situation?